rest of the week on this side, and then we're right at the top then.
Okay, what time are you here till each day?
Till today.
Is it till dark, is it?
Till about 3:30, 4.
Oh, it's not too bad. I might pop up then. Yeah, see what I can get. Thank you, mate. Take care anyway. Alright, mate. I think the chainsaw scared them all away. It doesn't matter, I come by here all the time anyway. But, yeah, looks like they've all,
Scared away.
Yeah, you here all day?
Yeah, here all day, and the rest of the week.
Oh, right, okay, fair enough. Yeah. What are you doing, just clearing all the brush? Is that being left in, all that stuff?
Yeah, it will be left in.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
It'll go back to nature, won't it? It'll...
Yeah, it'll rot down and be good for everything, and it'll come back up just like all the good says here.
Yeah. You going close to the road, or is that about it?
That's about it now. Whenever people live down there,
yeah.
See the road.
Oh, there we are then.
Yeah.
What's all the wood in the skip as well? Was that cause I was kind of expecting the hut to be gone when I got here. I thought, oh, this is, but it's not though, is it? It's,
No, there was a load of netty wood just in front of the van there, so I assume they've put all of that in.
Yeah. Oh well. I'll come back then after you've finished. Have a nice day, mate. See you later. Chainsaw scared all the birds off. That's alright, I'll come back another time, mate.
Yeah, we'll be here for the rest of the week on this side, and then we're right at the top then.
Okay, what time are you here till each day?
Today.
Is it till dark, is it?
Till about 3:30, 4.
Oh, it's not too bad, I might pop up then.
Yeah,
see what I can get. Thank you, mate. Take care anyway. That's alright.